Hi! Would you like to improve your English grammar and learn about linking verbs? Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today you're going to learn what a linking verb is and how to use linking verbs in English. A linking verb is a special type of verb in English. It helps to link your subject to an adjective. An adjective is a word which helps to describe and give more information about a noun. Linking verbs describe a state of being rather than a visible action that you can see happening. Because of this, linking verbs are a type of stative verb or non-action verb. If I say, the puppy plays with a ball, the puppy is the subject, plays is the verb, and ball is the object. Plays is a verb which you can see happening. You can see the puppy playing with a ball. However, if I say the puppy is brown, in this case, brown is an adjective which is describing the puppy. The girls study hard. Study is an action verb. If I say the girls are smart, smart is an adjective which I'm using to describe the girls. So the verb are is helping to link the subject, the girls, to the end of your sentence, the adjective, smart. La 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 la, I often sing. Sing is an action verb. You can see that verb and hear that verb happening. But if I say to you, I am hungry, hungry is my state of being. You cannot see my hunger. You can only hear me state my hunger. And I am hungry. Am is the be verb. It's helping to link I, the subject, to the end of the sentence, hungry, which is an adjective. So, in the three sentences that we've looked at so far with linking verbs, you can see that the linking verb that we used is the be verb, because linking verbs describe a state of being. In addition to the be verb in English, there are other linking verbs as well, which will help to link your subject to an adjective. Let me give you a few examples. You seem confused. The theory proved correct. We remain optimistic. It turned cold recently. In those example sentences, you could see the subject was linked to an adjective with a linking verb. It was describing a state of being for the subject. There are verbs which can be both action verbs and non-action linking verbs. For example, a rainbow appeared after the storm. He appears worried. Both of these sentences use the verb appear. However, in the first sentence, a rainbow appeared. Appeared is an action verb. You can see the rainbow slowly coming out from behind the clouds as the sunlight reflects off the water droplets. He appears worried. In this sentence, appear is a linking verb. It's helping to link the subject him to the adjective worried to describe his state of being. I turned the page. In this sentence, turned is an action verb because it's something that you could see happening. You see the page turning. When I become embarrassed, my face turns red. The verb we're using is turns. So in the example sentence, I turned the page. Turned is being used as a regular action verb. In the sentence, my face turned red, turned is being used as a linking verb. It's linking the subject, my face, to the adjective red. Now, you might be wondering why it's important to know whether the verb is an action verb or a linking stative verb. And the reason for this is because when you create your own sentences, you need to think of the fact that linking verbs can never be used in the progressive form. What this means is that linking verbs cannot use ing. You can't put the sentence into the present continuous using the linking verb. Let's think about the verb smell. I could say, I am smelling the flowers. This sentence is perfect in English in the present continuous to describe my action. I am smelling the flowers. Now, if I want to describe these flowers using a linking verb to do so, I would say, the flowers smell nice. This is because it's describing the state of being of the flowers. The flowers smell nice. It's linking the subject, the flowers, to the adjective nice. There's no physical action happening in that sentence. Because of this, you cannot say the flowers are smelling nice. That is an incorrect sentence because smell is a linking verb when we are describing the state of the flowers. This is why I can say, I am smelling the flowers, but I cannot say the flowers are smelling nice. I have to say the flowers smell nice. The linking verb cannot use ing. I'm looking at pictures. Look is being used in the present continuous to describe my current action. But if I see a cake, I could say the cake looks delicious. I couldn't say the cake is looking delicious. And this is because look is connecting the subject, cake, to the adjective delicious. I'm describing the state of being of the cake. It looks delicious. The alarm is sounding. Present continuous. Right now, the alarm is sounding. She sounded worried on the phone. She sounded worried. In this case, sounded is a linking verb. The alarm is sounding is in present continuous, so you clearly can see that it is an action verb, not a linking verb. So when the action is happening, you can use ing. But when you're describing the state of being, no ing because it's a linking verb. Taste can be an action verb and a stative linking verb. For example, I am tasting the apple. Present continuous. I'm doing it right now. It's in my mouth. I can taste it. It tastes sweet. It is sweet. It tastes sweet. So I'm tasting the apple. Present continuous. It tastes sweet is the linking verb, and you can't add ing. Even though I'm eating the apple right now, I cannot say it is tasting sweet because it's a linking verb. As you heard me mention, linking verbs are a type of stative verb. If you'd like to learn more about stative verbs, which I highly recommend to improve your English, please check out a video I made about that over here. So today, you learned what a linking verb is and how to use linking verbs correctly in your English sentences. And now it's time for Question of the Day. For today's question of the day, I would like you to please make sentences using linking verbs in the comments below. Practice what you've learned in this lesson with linking verb sentences. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.